Welcome to our Excel tutorial series. In this series, we will take you on a journey from the basics to advanced techniques of Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a student, professional, or just looking to improve your skills, this series is designed to help you become proficient in Excel and unlock its full potential. We will cover topics such as Basic Excel, Entering and Editing Data, Basic Formatting, and Calculations. Intermediate Excel, Data Management, Conditional Formatting, and Charts. Advanced Excel, Formulas, including sum, average, count, if, lookup, index match, and more, pivot tables, macros, and data analysis. We will dive deep into Excel formulas, covering arithmetic formulas, sum, average, product, etc. Logical formulas, if, and, or, etc. Text formulas, concatenate, lay, lower, upper, etc. Date and time formulas, today, now, dated if, etc. Lookup and reference formulas, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, index match, etc. Statistical formulas, max min, STDEV, etc. In this first video, we will cover the fundamentals of entering, editing, and formatting data in Excel. Entering data. To enter data, simply click on a cell and type away. You can enter numbers, text, or dates. Let's practice entering some data into a cell. Editing data. To edit existing data, click on the cell and make your changes. You can delete data by selecting the cell and pressing the delete key or using the backspace key. To modify existing data, you can also use the formula bar to edit the data or press F2 to edit directly in the cell. Let's practice editing some data. Select a cell with existing data. Click on the cell and make some changes. Press Enter to save the changes. Let's make our data look good. We can change font styles and sizes, alignment, left, center, right, number formatting, currency, date, time, text formatting, bold, italic, underline. Let's practice formatting some data. Font styles and sizes. Select the cell. Go to the Home tab and choose a font from the font drop-down menu. Alignment, left, center, right. Select the cell. Go to the Home tab and click on the alignment buttons. Let's center this data. Number formatting, currency, date, time. Select the cell. Go to the Home tab and choose a number format from the number formatting drop-down menu. Let's format this data as currency. Text formatting, bold, italic, underline. Select the cell. Go to the Home tab and click on the bold, italic, or underline buttons. We covered the basics of entering, editing, and formatting data in Excel. In the next video, we will build on these skills and cover more advanced topics. The basics are just the beginning. In our next video, we will push your Excel skills to new heights. Like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.